But the Tamil Nadu CBCID sources have revealed to Times now that during the course of the super bookie Uttam Chand's custodial interrogation, he has given fresh leads to the investigations. In fact, the call records are now showing that Vikram Agarwal was also in touch with Gurunath Mayappan during the IPL matches. We have Shabbir reporting on the story. Shabbir, this information could be very vital because it comes close on the heels of the hotelier applying for a bail application.
That is what CBCID sources do tell us, because they were in the process of gathering much more evidence against Vikram Agarwal and his involvement in the entire betting scandal. As far as Vikram Agarwal is concerned, he is the crucial link between the North betting lobby and the South betting lobby. That is what the CBCID feels, because Vikram Agarwal is a very influential person and he has his contacts based all across the country. So that's how he has been operating, and that is what the sources in the CBCID do tell us, that he was in constant touch with Bindu Dara Singh, and at the same point of time he was in touch with Gurunath Mayappan and other smaller bookies. And also what sources do tell us is that a super bookie who was interrogated by the CBCID police, he has confirmed that he was along with Vikram Agarwal at his Radisson Blu Hotel when the matches happened. So in numerous occasions they were together planning the strategy of this entire betting scandal. And whether Vikram Agarwal is only a punter or he is also the person who is running this entire betting syndicate is something that we will come to know during the course of the investigations. But as of now, sources have confirmed to us from the CBCID that Vikram Agarwal is very, very important link to this entire scandal, because he was in touch with various others during the IPL matches, and he was the person who was actually placing bets between 10 lakh rupees to 1 crore rupees. So that is how this entire betting scandal has been operating in Tamil Nadu, and that's how he is very